What's going on, gents? Richard here from Assembled Style, and welcome to an unplanned video like this one. I just woke up today with, a good internal feeling that if I go thrifting today, I'm going to come across some very good stuff because it's been a good minute. And I like making these videos, and especially with the whole old money style aesthetic, it kind of like, being on the trend lately. I thought I should make a video as well, trying to address somewhat old money, something close to it. I don't know, but I kind of want to start shopping for like a suit or just to complete a whole outfit, because a suit is a little bit more difficult to find. A complete suit, usually it's a sport coat and something else, but I'm gonna try to be discreet. I'm gonna try to get some clips, maybe show off some brands and stuff that you should look out for, and yeah, let's get to it. And we are back. So I would say it was a pretty successful day. I did pick up some shoes, which are very, very great quality. I'm actually excited about the Horesebit loafers that I just got. But I did end up finding a suit. Let me go grab it right now. Now, for the suit, it's very difficult for me to shop for an off-the-rack suit, but this was the closest thing that fit me without much tailoring. It's gonna have to go through the tailors, but this is a very dark chocolate brown suit with these very subtle blue stripes. I don't even know if the camera can pick it up because it's just very, very, very subtle. And this is actually like a custom made piece for someone. I'm not gonna say their name, but the brand is there. The suit shop is there, and they're known to carry some quality fabrics. This is a Super 120 wool. And yeah, and it also came with pants, which is very difficult to come across when you're out, thrifting for a suit. All right, so my camera just died when I was talking about the tie, but so to bring these little subtle blue stripes alive, I decided to go with a solid blue tie like this one. This is from Brooks Brothers. This is like a silk woven tie. This was like $2. It's nothing, bro. And I highly suggest if you need a tie, I suggest starting at a thrift store rather than going to like a cheap department store where it's like polyester and it costs like $30 to $50. Now, let's get into the shoes. I don't even know which one to start with. But let's start with these. Here are a pair of cap toe Oxfords from Allen Edmonds. Now finding Allen Edmonds is not out of the norm for me. I always come across so many different sizes and styles, and it's ridiculous how cheap they are when you find them at the thrift store. Now these are gently used, but they have been resold, as you guys can see. But yeah, these were like $7. So the next pair is also from Allen Edmonds, and it's these single Monkstraps with an apron toe. I do not own anything like this, and this was a very nice pickup. Original soles as well, Allen Edmonds, you guys can see. These were just gently used, and they were also $7. Can you believe that? Now I think the find of the day were these pairs of Horesebit Loafers from Alden's. Now, fun fact, Alden's actually discontinued these the Cape Cod collection loafers right here. They were actually getting sued by Gucci. So rather than going through the lawsuit, they just discontinued this style shoe. So it's pretty crazy to come across these, especially with the original soles. These were gently used. I don't even know if it came from the same person or whatnot, but anyways, $7. Oh, one more piece, but it's a little big on me, but I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so this was probably the most priciest item. This is a double-breasted camel coat by Ralph Lauren. So you can see the dry cleaners ended up just donating this to the thrift store. It's like a 44L or something. It's a little big on me, but it's this beautiful cashmere and wool blend coat. I'll see if I could get it tailored or whatnot, but definitely worth the price, the thrifted price, because I don't know, a coat like that is going to easily go for like $500 and up. But yeah, guys, I'm going to throw everything together and just show you how it looks. And this is without any tailoring done. Imagine if I got it tailored, I would look like $1 million. But I just love making these videos because it just shows you that you do not need like a lot of money to pull off like, some great, classic looks. And quality looks on top of that. These are some quality stuff that I picked up. A pair of Alden's. These are like $400 loafers. Allen Edmonds, they're like $250. The $300 range, somewhere around there. In a suit, in a custom suit like this, easily like $800 starting price. But yeah, guys, that wraps up this video. I really have to start heading to the gym right now. Like I said, this was a very random video, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.